Namaskar, myself Dr. Nana Shetore. In last video, we already discussed the three carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid, two method of preparation and its chemical reaction. Then second anthralic acid, that is also we can say that the 2-amino benzoic acid, and third salicylic acid, that is also we can say that orthohydroxybenzoic acid. These three carboxylic acid, their method of preparation and chemical property we already discussed. Again, two carboxylic acid is remaining. In today's video we are going to discuss these remaining two carboxylic acid and their chemical properties. See, this is the fourth carboxylic acid, that is the phthalic acid. We know that the phthalic acid is the dicarboxylic acid, this containing the 2COOH as a functional group. Okay, up to this extent we discussed the three carboxylic acid, but they are nothing but we can say that the monocarboxylic acid. This is the first carboxylic acid in your syllabus. This acid contains the 2COH as a functional group, hence this acid we can say that the dicarboxylic acid. See the method of preparation. See the first method of preparation, that is the starting material, is we can say that the orthoxylene. Orthoxylene is also we can say that 1,2-dimethylbenzene. 1,2-dimethylbenzene. When this 1,2-dimethylbenzene is react with KMnO4, here KMnO4 is used as a strong oxidizing reagent. This methyl group only undergo the oxidization and give the corresponding carboxylic functional groups. The phenyl ring, or we can say that the benzene ring or aromatic system is remain as it is. The role of the KMnO4 we already discussed in the method of preparations of the benzoic acid as well as method of preparation in the salicylic acid. In this case only methyl group undergo the oxidization and to give the corresponding COH as a functional group. In this way orthoxylene can be easily converted into the phthalic acid in presence of the KMnO4. See the second method of preparation. In second method of preparation, the naphthalene is used as a starting material. We know that the naphthalene is a simple aromatic compound and this is used as a starting material. See, when this naphthalene, vapor of the naphthalene actually passed on the vanadium pentoxide, in presence of the oxygen at 350 degrees centigrades, we know that out of these two benzene ring, one benzene ring undergo the oxidation reactions and to give the phthalic anhydrides. Okay, this give the phthalic anhydride. One aromatic system or one benzene ring is remain as it is, and when this phthalic anhydrides is react with the two molecules of the sodium hydroxide, the ring opening reaction is takes place and there is a formations of disodium salt, sodium salt of the corresponding phthalic acid. Okay, sodium salt of the corresponding phthalic acid, and the sodium salt of the phthalic acids undergo the hydrolysis reaction in presence of the HCl to give the dicarboxylic acid. In this way naphthalene can be easily converted into the dicarboxylic acid, that is the phthalic acid. This is the second method of preparation. Only these two method of preparations included in your syllabus. See the some chemical reaction. See the first chemical reaction, that is we can say that the simple heating. There is no any reagent is used, no any chemical is used, a simple physical property, that is the heating is used. See, when this phthalic acid undergo the heating, there is a dehydrogenation, means removal of water molecule is takes place, and when removal of water molecule, and there is a 5-member ring formation is takes place, and this is we can say that the phthalic anhydride formation is takes place. The removal of water molecule here only takes place, and there is a formations of the phthalic anhydride. Already this experiment we have to perform in the first year syllabus also. Okay, see the second, that is the action of phosphorus pentachloride. We know that phosphorus pentachloride as well as thionyl chloride SOCl2 both are nothing but we can say that the halogenating reagents, or that is also we can say that the chlorinating reagent. We know that this phthalic acid containing the 2COH as a functional group, only these two carboxylic acid functional groups undergo the chlorination reaction. The aromatic system is remain intact, remain as it is. There is no any reaction is takes place on that particular aromatic system. Hence, when this phthalic acid is react with phosphorus pentachloride to give the thionyl chloride with chloride, there is only carboxylic group is converted into the COCl2 and phosphorus oxytrichloride as a byproduct. Okay, here there is a chlorination of only carboxylic acid is takes place. See the third, that is the action of alcohol. We know that any carboxylic acid is react with any alcohol. Okay, any alcohol, there is a formation of the ester is takes place. Here also both carboxylic functional groups undergo the esterification reaction with the 2-ethanol molecule to give the corresponding ester. There is a formations of the diethyl phthalate. Okay, there is a formations of diethyl phthalate. In this way only these three chemical reactions is included in your syllabus. See the next acid, that is benzene sulfonolic acid. Okay, up to this extent we discuss the 4 acid, but all these 4 acid coming from the carboxylic family. Okay, the benzene sulfonolic acid, this acid is does not containing the COH as a functional group, but this acid SO3, that is sulfonyl, as contain as functional groups. We know that this sulfonyl group when directly attached to the aromatic system, okay, this functional groups, that is we can say that the sulfonyl functional group when directly attached to the aromatic system, that is we can say that the benzene sulfonolic acid. Okay, we we already know the formula of the sulfuric acid, that is the molecular formula of the sulfuric acid. Molecular formula of the sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Okay, H2SO4. We know that sulfur is the central atoms and all 4 oxygen are directly attached to the sulfur atoms, and these 2 hydrogen are again attached to the oxygen atom. In this way sulfur having the +6 oxidation state. Okay, sulfur having the +6 oxidation state, 2 oxygen are attached to the sulfur through sulfur oxygen double bond, and 2 oxygen attached to the sulfur through sulfur oxygen single bond. See, out of this, one OH is replaced by the phenyl ring. Okay, one OH is attached, one OH is replaced by the phenyl ring. Okay, that is we can say that formations of the benzene sulfonolic acid. In this way there is a formations of the phenyl sulfonolic acid. See, the first there is a method of preparations of the phenyl sulfonolic acids or benzene sulfonolic acid. See, the simple method of preparation, when benzene is treated with the fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid, there is a formations of the benzene sulfonolic acid. Simple method of preparation, only 2 reactants is required, one that is the benzene and second is the fuming sulfuric acid. When only simple benzene is react with the fuming sulfuric acid, there is a formations of the benzene sulfonolic acid. Now in the next slide, see the mechanisms of benzene sulfonolic acid, preparations of the benzene sulfonolic acid. See, when the 2 molecule of the fuming sulfuric acids undergo the reacts with each other, there is a formations of the sulfur trioxide is takes place, and we know that this sulfur trioxide is electrophile, strong electrophile, and HSO 4 minus ion and H3SO4 H3O plus ion, this two ion formation is also takes place. Okay, see, in second step we know that the benzene contain the pi electron. This pi electron should be attack on the sulfur, and this sulfur oxygen, this double bond is shifted toward the oxygen, because already this sulfur carry the delta positive charge and oxygen carry the delta negative charge, and sulfur oxygen, out of this sulfur oxygen double bonds, oxygen is the more electronegative, hence this double bond is shifted toward the oxygen atoms, hence oxygen carry the negative charge and phenyl carry the positive charge after the shifted of this pi electron toward the sulfur atom. In this way such types of the intermediate formation is takes place. Okay, this intermediate is reactive intermediate, and we know that all those intermediates are unstable. We know that the stability of this intermediate should be maintained through resonating structure, and we know that the simple rule, more the resonating structure, more will be the stability. See, first this positive charge is present at the ortho position of the SO3 minus. In second case this positive charge is present at the fourth position, and in this case the positive charge is present at the sixth position. In this way the positive charge is delocalized at position 2, 4 and 6. Okay, in this way there is the three resonating structure. These three resonating structure is represented by the double headed arrow, and those structure is represented by the double headed arrow. Such types of the structure we can say that the resonating structure. Okay, now see, in third step these intermediates lose the H plus ion, there is the breaking of the H and the carbon CH bond is takes place, and there is removal of the H plus ion. This H plus ion already accepted by the SO4 minus ion, which is formed in the first steps. Okay, and there is a formation of phenyl sulfonate anion. Okay, phenyl sulfonate anion, and this anion again accept the proton from H protonated water molecules. Protonated water molecule already formed in the first step, and finally there is a formations of benzene sulfonilic acid. Okay, benzene sulfonilic acid. In this way this mechanism we discuss in the fourth step. In the first step there is a formation of the SO3, that is sulfur trioxide. In the second step there is a formations of the intermediates, and how this intermediate can be stabilized through resonating structure. In the third step the removal of H plus ion, and in the fourth step acceptance of the protons. Okay, acceptance of the proton. In this way this mechanism can be discussed in the fourth step. Okay, see now the some chemical reactions. Okay, see the first chemical reactions of the benzene sulfonilic acid, that is the salt formation reaction. We know that any acid is react with any base, there is a formations of the salt and water. We already know the definitions of the neutralization reaction. Any carboxylic acid is react with any base, that is the sodium hydroxide, there is a formations of the salt and water, that is we can say that the neutralization reaction. Similarly here also, okay, benzene sulfonilic acid is react with the sodium hydroxide, there is a formations of the sodium benzene sulfonate. Okay, sodium benzene sulfonate, and there is a formations of the water. Sodium benzene sulfonate is nothing but we can say that the salt. See the SO3 minus and Na plus, this is we can say that the salt. Okay, actually here is sulfonate is nothing but we can say that the salt. Sodium benzene sulfonate formation is takes place, and this is nothing but we can say that the salt of benzene sulfonilic acid. Okay, see the second, that is the formations of the sulfonyl chloride. Okay, we know that here we use the phosphorus pentachloride as a chlorinating reagent. Similarly, again we know that any carboxylic acid react with the chlorinating reagent, there is a formations of the corresponding chloride. Here also benzene sulfonylic acid is react with the phosphorus pentachloride, there is a formations of the benzene sulfonyl chloride. Okay, there is a benzene sulfonyl chloride formation is takes place, and phosphorus oxytrichloride and HCl is nothing but byproduct. See, again there is a ester formation reaction. We know that any carboxylic acid react with the alcohol, the ester formation is takes place. But here direct benzene sulfonylic acid react with ethanol, the ester formation reaction is impossible. Here first the benzene sulfonyl chloride, benzene sulfonylic acid is first converted into the benzene sulfonylic chloride by using the phosphorus pentachloride as a chlorinating reagent. Okay, first there is a sulfonyl chloride formation is takes place, and this benzene sulfonyl chloride is react with the ethanol, and finally there is a formation of ethyl benzene sulfonate. Okay, finally there is formations of the ethyl benzene sulfonate, and that is we can say that nothing but the ester of corresponding benzene sulfonylic acid. Okay, this is the difference between the normal acid and sulfonylic acid. In case of the normal acid, immediately this normal carboxylic acid is react with the ethanol in presence of the concentrated H2SO4, there is a formations of the ester. But benzene sulfonylic acid first converted into the corresponding halides, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride, and later on this benzene sulfonyl chloride react with ethanol, and finally there is a formations of the ethyl benzene sulfonate. Okay, then again formations of the amide. We know that so many carboxylic acid react with the ammonia, there is a formations of the amide. But here again benzene sulfonylic acid is first react with phosphorus pentachloride, there is a formations of the benzene sulfonyl chloride, and this benzene sulfonyl chloride is react with the ammonia, there is a formations of the benzene sulfonyl amide. See, in all reaction, salt formation reactions, formations of the sulfonyl chloride, we know that ester formation reactions, amide formation reactions, all these reactions are takes place only on sulfonyl functional groups. There is no any reaction is takes place on the aromatic system. Okay, see the next some reactions, that is we can say that the replacement of the sulfonyl group. Okay, see these reactions are very important. See just type, this is all these reaction we can say that the substitution steps of the reaction. In this case, the sulfonyl group is replaced by the corresponding group. See the first, that is the sulfonyl group is replaced by the hydroxy group. See how the sulfonyl group is replaced by the hydroxy group. See, when benzyl sulfonylic acid is react with the sodium hydroxide, there is a formations of the sodium benzene sulfonate. Okay, there is a formations of the sodium benzene sulfonate, and when this sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with the sodium hydroxide, okay, there is a formations of the sodium salt of the corresponding phenoxide ion, and we know that the sodium salt of the corresponding phenoxide ion undergo the hydrolysis reaction in presence of the HCl, there is a formations of the phenol. In this way, the benzene sulfonylic acid can be easily converted into the phenol. First salt formation reaction, and we know that the sodium salt of benzoic acid, benzene sulfonylic acid is gives the fused reactions with the NaOH, there is a formations of the phenol is takes place. See second, that is the sulfonyl group is replaced by the cyano group. Again in this case also, the first there is salt formation reactions, that is the reaction with the sodium hydroxide to give the sodium benzene sulfonate, and we know that the sodium benzene sulfonate again gives the reaction with sodium cyanide, there is a formations of the benzonitrile formation reaction is takes place. See in these reactions also, this sulfonyl group is replaced by the cyano group. Okay, only the sulfonyl group is replaced by the cyano group, but directly not replaced. Replaced through first step is salt formation, and second step is the fused with the sodium nitrate, and finally there is a formations of the benzonitride. See, the hydrogen atom, the cyano group, this sulfonyl is replaced by the hydrogen atom. Okay, hydrogen, H plus ion, H plus ion. In this case, there is a no salt formation reaction is required. In this case, direct benzene sulfonylic acid is react with water at 150 degrees centigrade temperature. In this case, the SO3H is replaced by the H plus ion, and there is a formations of the phenol. Only one reaction, in this case there is a no salt formation reaction, or there is a no salt formation reaction is required. Okay, see, again the SO3 group, SO3H group is replaced by the NH2 group. In this case also, the benzene sulfonylic acid is react with the sodium hydroxide. There is a formations of the sodium benzene sulfonate, and this sodium benzene sulfonate again fused with NaNH2, there is a formations of the aniline takes place. Okay, means the SO3 group is replaced by the NH2 group, means sulfonylic acid is converted into the aniline. This benzene sulfonylic acid is converted into the phenol, benzene sulfonylic acid is converted into the benzonitride, and benzene sulfonylic acid is converted into the benzene. In this way, this benzene sulfonylic acid can be converted into their different types of the compound, and all these reactions are very important. Only this reaction, there is a no salt formation is required. Remaining three for the replacement of the sulfonyl group by the OH, replacement of the sulfonyl group by the NH, and replacement of the sulfonyl group by the NH2. All these three reactions, first step is the salt formation reaction, and second is the fusion reaction is required. In this way, we discuss all these four different types of the substitution types of the reaction. Okay, my friend, we already discussed the phthalic acid and benzene sulfonylic acid in this reaction. Overall this topic, only one mechanism is included, that is benzene sulfonylic acid. Preparations of the benzene sulfonylic acid, only one mechanism is included in these topics. In this way, we over the first topic, that is carboxylic acid and sulfonylic acid. If you have any difficulty within this topic, you ask me on WhatsApp group, as well as you ask me on my personal WhatsApp also. If you have any difficulty, within 1 to 2 days I will share all the notes also on our Google Classroom. Before that, you have to watch both video first as well as the video second 2 to 3 times. Okay, thank you, good day.